3 short stitches and then continue to knit a needle. Add needles in the next needle knitting. Right, and the same. Add a needle to this. We need to change the thread halfway through knitting. So we're going to pull it out. Our other color line. Okay, so we've got the dark line. Bring the seam directly. After bringing it, we still need to knit a popcorn needle next. Okay, let's take a look at the knitting method of popcorn needles. First, the crochet thread is wound and threaded into the next stitch. Bring the wire. After bringing the line, bring the winding from the first 2 coils. Line continues. Winding or threading into the same needle. Bring the wire. The wire is brought from the first 2 coils. Continue third. Dark thread when weaving. It's not easy to see our line, so you can knit with light-colored thread. Okay, fifth one. Okay, let's change the line. Continue to switch back to the main color line. The winding is passed through 6 coils in sequence. Okay, after bringing it here, we are marking the buckle. In the last letter, knit a needle. Crochet into the last stitch. Knit a needle. Continue with the same needle. Okay, so we're done with the third spin. There are 24 needles in total. You can check the number of needles. Okay, here's the marker. Make a mark on the last stitch. Then go back to the first letter. After pulling, we stand up a needle. The needle must be pulled tightly. Another uplift needle. Okay, let's disconnect the dark line from it as well. After disconnection, we will tie a knot for the last 2 threads. After finishing, we will explode with the help of tweezers. Rice flower needle turned to the front. Okay, this is what happens when you flip it over. Now we're going to turn 4. Okay, for the 4th circle, first knit a needle. Again, put a sign on the first letter. We continue with the first stage. Okay, the end of a needle knitting. Knit 3 short needles below. Okay, so we have a stock here. Everyone must pay attention. Our second needle. He may be blocked by our needle. Okay, go directly into the second needle. A short needle. Continue below. Second. Third. Okay, 3 short needles, braided ends. We need to knit another popcorn needle next. Okay, popcorn needles. If we are here, let's knit with white thread. Okay, crochet first. Winding into the next needle. Bring the wire. After bringing the line, the wire is brought from the first 2 coils. Good one, the second one below. Third below. Fourth. The fifth below. Okay. Now the crochet has 6 coils on it. Okay, the following windings are taken in turn. 6 coils. Okay, after bringing it over, we will continue to knit below. Okay, tidy up a little bit. We need to knit 10 short needles below. Again, we have a short needle here. It may be blocked by our popcorn needles. So we're going to just look for our next needle. Okay, so that's our next needle. Knit 10 short needles below. The first one. Okay, let's move on to the second. Third. So let's repeat. Knit 2 needles below. You need to pay attention when knitting our popcorn needles. It is possible to block the next branch. So you have to pay attention. Okay, first of all, add the needle first. Same needle. Okay, let's continue with the second needle. Finish the knitting with needles, so let's knit another popcorn needle. Again, we need to find the next needle. The next needle is in this place. This is our next needle. Okay, go ahead. Or wind the thread into this needle first. Okay, bring the line. The wire is brought from the first two coils. Okay, go ahead. Force. The fifth below. The lower winding passes through low coils in sequence. Okay, and we're done with our popcorn needles. Okay, here are short needles. Again, let's go find the next needle. Okay, first of all, the next stitch is here. First short needle. Continue below. R&D short needle. Third. So let's repeat. 10 short needles. End of knitting. Knit 2 needles below. Okay, the first one as a needle. Continue to second. Okay. Knit 3 short needles below. So, first of all, there's the next needle. Knit a short needle. And go back to the popcorn needle. Knitting a second short needle on it. Continue below. Here is the third one. Okay, final mark. The last stitch. We knit a needle. Okay, at needles. Knitting end. We take the plus sign and buckle it at the last one.